Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, I will show you how to easily post an image in the Picsart app using your phone. Many people enjoy editing or creating designs on Picsart, but sometimes they get confused about how to share their final image. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, choose the option that says Upload a photo. After that, your phone's gallery will open, and you can select the picture you want to post. Finally, once you have chosen your photo, tap on the post buttons located at the bottom. Then click on Done at top right. Your image will now be uploaded and shared on Picsart. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a like, and sharing it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.